Hi everyone, so I have these 15 products from Miss Rose right here, which come in a deal of 5,000 rupees only, and I'm going in with the Zero Pores Primer first. I'm just gently applying it and I will press it into my skin now. Here's the matte foundation by them, and I'm just applying the amount that I need for the kind of coverage I want. Then I'm taking this beauty blender using its flat side. I'm blending it and मैं press in कर रही हूँ, drag नहीं कर रही वरना face पे lines पड़ जाती हैं. I really like this beauty blender. It was actually very soft to use. The other side is done and now I'm going in with this eyeliner cum brow product, and I'm taking the brow product side of it and gently creating these strokes so that it fills up my brows so that they look a little presentable. And now I'm taking the Miss Rose concealer. You guys know how much I love this concealer. I use it all the time. And guys, you must have noticed that with this foundation and concealer I did not need to use any color corrector because these are full coverage products and they covered up my skin, my pigmentation really well. So I'm just carving out my brows now so that they look more neat, and I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose ताकि face में और definition आए, and I'm highlighting my chin as well, as you can see, and a part of my cheeks as well. Now I'm taking this other beauty blender by them which also comes in this deal और उससे मैं press in करके ही blend कर. I'm not dragging it because I don't want to ruin my brows, and I'm just pressing everything in. Now I'm going in with their two-way cake powder. It's huge in size as you guys can see in the video, and I'm taking this third beauty blender by them which also comes in the deal, and I think that's great. So I'm just pressing in the powder like this. It prevented all the creases and it gave my skin such a matte look which I really loved. Now I'm going in with this palette. It's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. You guys can see the colors are so different, and you will just see right now the kind of payoff it has. So I'm just taking this first transition shade and blending it all into my crease. Then I'm taking this medium brown shade and I'm keeping it lower in the crease ताकि depth add हो, और इसी तरह जितना dark हमारा shade होता जाएगा उतना ही हम उसको low रखेंगे in the crease. Then I'm going in with this maroon shade and taking it on a pencil brush so that we have more control on the product, और इसको मैं सिर्फ अपनी crease में ही रखूँगी और थोड़ा सा ऊपर blend करूँगी, ज़्यादा नहीं करूँगी. So I cut my crease off camera and now I'm going in with this shimmer shade from the palette, using my fingers to apply it because shimmer shades हमेशा fingers से ज़्यादा अच्छे apply होते हैं. However, brush से फिर मैंने उसको neat up कर लिया था because that's what I always do. So now taking this shimmer maroon shade, I'm just applying it between both the colors to create a nice transition and to blend everything together. Taking the matte maroon again, I'm just lining my lower lash line. Then taking this steeping shade, I'm just blending it out ताकि lower lash line ज़्यादा harsh ना लगे. फिर I'm taking the same shimmer shade and applying it on my brow bone, and इसी से I will also highlight my inner corners. Now I'm taking the same eyeliner pen and using the eyeliner side. I love this liner because it was super thin and इससे बहुत precise liner लग रहा था. So it was actually very quick and easy to use. Then I have this gel liner here which looks like a kajal, and इससे मैं अपना पहले वाले liner को ही extend कर रही हूँ, and I will just extend it, create a wing, and then just blend it out with a brush to give a smoky liner effect. बहुत ज़्यादा smoke out नहीं किया, but just a little bit. Taking this mascara now. I really like this mascara because it actually separated my lashes, and इसका थोड़ा सा fallout था, but just look at the difference, you guys. I did the other side off camera and lashes are on. So now I have their contour kit which looks something like this, and I'm taking one of the darker shades, applying it to the usual contour areas, and just look how chiseled this side looks whereas this one looks super flat. Taking a lighter contour shade, I'm contouring my nose because it is something that's very prominent, so you don't want to go in with the darker shade. Also going to contour my lower lip to make my lips look bigger. Now going in with this blush palette which was beautiful, and look at these shades. These are super subtle and super pretty, and I'm just applying it right above my contour. I'm not going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks because I don't want my face to look round in this look. Then we have their highlighting palette, which looks something like this. You get 6 beautiful shades. I'm taking 2 of these, which were a close match to my skin tone, and just look at the glow, you guys. Again, I'm not applying it on the apple of my cheeks to prevent my pores from looking larger. It's just a quick tip for all those who have open pores like I do. And I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose, my chin, and just look at the glow, you guys. So my lipstick is also on. Now I'm going in with their natural makeup fixer, and I'll just spray it all over my face. This did not have any strong scent to it. And here's the final look, you guys. I hope you all liked this look, and you guys can go and check out their products or order this deal. It's just for 5,000 rupees and you get full face of makeup, so I think it's a great deal. I will see you all in my next tutorial. Till then, bye.